Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ELSA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti and 4060 Ti graphics card with dual slot coolers. So friend, ELSA introduced two new graphics card models, the ELSA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti ERAZOR V2 and the ELSA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB SAC V2. Both models said to be exclusively sold online and will be available on 15 March. And friend, the RTX 4070 Ti model designated as GD4070 T12 GER features a unique triple fan cooling system within a dual slot design, while the RTX 4060 Ti model with model number GD4060 8GER2 incorporate an efficient dual fan cooling solution. And friend, the ELSA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti ERAZOR V2 is equipped with 7680 CUDA cores and support a base clock of 2310 MHz, extending up to boost clock of 2610 MHz. And friend, it boasts a memory bandwidth of 504 GB per second, facilitated by 192-bit memory bus and 12 GB of GDDR6X video memory. And the card offers multiple connectivity options, including 3 DisplayPort outputs and 1 HDMI port, and measures 297 mm in length, 118 mm in height, and 42 mm in thickness. And friend, on the other hand, the second model features 4352 quad cores and base clock speed of 2310 MHz with a boost capability of 2535 MHz. And this model provides a memory bandwidth of 288 Gbps through a 298-bit memory bus complemented by 8 GB of GDDR6 video memory, and it also includes 3 DisplayPort outputs, 1 HDMI port, and dimensions of 250 mm in length, 118 mm in height, and 42 mm in thickness. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.